Let's have a look at the oxygen drop management supported by Hydrio. Oxygen contained in a diving gas within the rebreather loop decreases open diver oxygen metabolism. The VO2 max attempts to calculate its maximum. The risk for not knowing your oxygen drop are hypoxia and decompression sickness. Oxygen drop varies between different rebreathers' efficiency. We are aware that passive semi-closed rebreather traditional theory in oxygen drop has some shortcomings, especially because it is believed that all divers and units are the same. On the contrary, Hydrio supports and promotes each diver and rebreather calculation to be done separately. Furthermore, it should be done in each dive segment. A lot of people is taking advantage of the TUSL system, which is a free online-based software that calculates oxygen drop. However, currently it only operates for passive semi-closed rebreathers. When getting a bit closer look to traditional CCR oxygen drop management and the solutions offered, we can find a lot of misconceptions and as well a lot of shortcomings, especially because the initial unit foundation and design is based on mimicking nitrox diving versus air diving in no decompression limits. On the other hand, high and constant PO2s are totally against long-range exploration diving. In order to be able to understand completely and using more efficiently rebreather technology, explorers will perform the following set of tests during rebreather explorer training. How much efficiency you get out of your unit is a key. What is your real oxygen consumption? Understand volume drop, as well as monitoring your PO2 to take advantage of the innovative gas cycles introduced by Hydrio explorers. Once these concepts are clear and fully understood, utilizing any type of unit is simple.